Hey friends, if you are ever in LA, the Soul Food Shack is a absolute must try. Alright, so I got my food. I'm really excited. Found me a damn party and pulled the fuck over because the girl is to eat. Okay. The parking lot was too small at the restaurant, so I ain't feel comfortable eating it. Plus this lady was hollering for me to come try her pudding, and I was getting ready to go just be supportive and buy some. I was like, no, I don't want no damn pudding. Like, no offense to her. Shout out to her for being on her business tip, but baby, I'm just not in the mood for no pudding, okay? Pudding with some damn crunch on it. Oh, this hot sauce. I was like, okay, looking like mumbo sauce. It's hot sauce. I got excited. It smells really good, so, like, ooh. Y'all ain't see that. I got a side of green. This on it right here. Right? Okay. I got me a side of green. Because I need some green. I need some vegetables. Alright. The big back review. Oh, shit. Okay. So I did get my grape lemonade. Lay down. Oh, so they give you 2 rolls. So you get 2 cornbreads, which is beautiful. Because one just don't be enough for real. Damn, I didn't know to put all this damn food. I'll see you in the time. Ready? Oh, I do want to show y'all my food. Hell yeah. That's damn good right there. Okay. That's honey. Honey cornbread. Well, at least that's what I taste. Yeah, y'all want to see the food? Let me show you the food. I got my catfish, got my macaroni and cheese, which looks delicious. Got the yams. I'm scared to take this top out these greens, all this juice. Let me open the door and open these greens. Hold on. Okay, greens actually taste like somebody grandma cooked them. Okay. Big back, big back. I ain't got a big back, I got a big front. The back is alright. Alright, let me taste everything, then I'm gonna let y'all go because I need some music. Alright. So yams is always my favorite part of the meal. So let me taste that. Oh. Oh my God. Damn, first impressions. That is a fucking 100 out of a 10. Damn, them greens taste, I mean not greens, them yams are good as. Did y'all see that? Look at the macaroni. Hold on. Damn. Ooh. Fuck it. Oh my God. Bitch, I'm so glad I went here. This shit is delicious. I love it. I'm gonna taste the fish without anything on it. No hot sauce. Then we're gonna come back and put the hot sauce on it. Alright. Okay. Oh my God. No hot sauce needed. Oh my God. This shit is so good. I'm gonna need a fucking nap. Ooh. Yes, Lord. That's so good. Tastes a little hot, so I'm a little tired, so. I must be in this old man's spot because I'm trying to figure out this whole parking lot open. Why he parked right here beside me? Shake my head. That stuff is good right now. Absolute 10 out of 10. That is absolutely amazing. And it was decently priced. For everything total was $32. It's not bad. I got a drink, I got an extra side, and I got a whole entree. So you in LA? If you in LA, stop by the food shack. Excuse me, Lord. The Soul Food Shack in Gardena. That's the one I went to.